Hello, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with Checkpoint Edge. In this short video, we'll go over how to access Checkpoint Edge, what kind of information is available, and how to complete a basic search. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the library's A to Z list of databases. You'll find Checkpoint Edge on this list. Checkpoint Edge provides primary tax documents and secondary analysis for federal, state, and local taxation, estate planning, pension and benefits, international taxation, and payroll taxation. This is the interface for Checkpoint Edge. Across the top of the page, you'll find options that allow you to toggle between different practice areas such as federal and state, payroll, and more. In the middle of the page, you'll find a search box with different search options depending on the practice area selected. To the left of the search box, you'll find options to browse the table of contents, and find tools, access quick links, and browse news related to the selected practice area. For example, to browse the latest state headlines, you'll need to first select State from the menu near the top of the page, then select News. Let's return to the Federal tab and take a closer look at the search options. Here we have the option to search by question, keyword, or citation, and limit by source type. For this example, let's set up a search for federal IRS rulings and releases on nonprofit organizations. First, we'll begin typing nonprofit into the search box. Notice that Checkpoint Edge suggests keywords as you type. We'll select nonprofit organizations from the list. We also want to limit our search to primary sources, specifically IRS rulings and releases. To run the search, we'll click on the magnifying glass icon next to the search box. On the results page, we can use the filter menu on the left to further narrow our results. We can also sort results by relevance or source, or limit our search using concept markers. We can also search for keywords within the results by expanding the Tools and Settings menu and selecting Search Within Results. As you browse the list of results, click on the checkbox to the left of the document name to quickly open the Document Tools menu, where you can print, export, or save individual documents or multiple documents at one time. To view the full text of a document, click on the document name. At the top of the page, you'll find Print, Export, and Save options, as well as View Settings and a Search Document feature. Now you know how to access Checkpoint Edge, what kind of information is available, and how to complete a basic search. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching!